After a long time, we're talking about MacBook. See, Mac I didn't talk about for a really long time. Right? I just don't know when the last time I talked about it. Okay, coming back to the topic, so we'll be talking about the Mac populars, the Ventura, so work or smarter, will be hard, whatever that thing is. Alright, so we'll be discussing with Mac system. And if you compare with other operating system as well. So here looking at Mac Ventura, looking at new features and new mail features. It has new search facilities, simply like what is coming up to Windows 11, the gallery update. They have their own Omega Spotlight. But I think this is just something like to show some extra features and just for the photo. This might be able to get more widgets as well as Windows. This one really about gallery update. And here you can get new design, new search design, and also new device code, etc. So see the back office the designs are really improved a lot compared to the past. However, now Windows and Mac are in intense competition to improve their quality of services. And the passkey introduces more secure, easier way to sign in, and also fast, whatever the nonsense is. As I know if it's microphase of the process and the fastest box or whatever nonsense process is, in this case, obviously, people would be getting Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or whatever browser, and people with Microsoft would be in the top browser, and also development Safari for the browser as well. But no, they didn't do that because you know it's not that much better browser, whatever it is. But there are tab groups, so you can also have there are tab groups. But these features have been released to mine the Microsoft Edge, as you know, I made a video about Edge Workspace. So Edge Workspace, I mean, it's a software you can actually, it's a feature of Microsoft Edge where you can actually share your widgets with, share your tabs with others, and even group of tabs with others. Similar to that, Microsoft applications also have their own one called shared tab groups. It only works in Microsoft Edge, it only works in Safari, and you can still share it. However, this how it works, I have no idea. We'll go back to Nest. After this comes Nest. Um, you can also send messages and whatever the message is. Let's see after your messages. Mm. You can send photo features. You can also slide, let's share library and all this stuff. So there's some share features where you can send stimulus and emails and I don't know how it's going to help. As you know, Microsoft has similar features like this called the phone link where you can actually transfer your files between phones and a tablet. So phones and your computer. So before the different Android now it works like I support in iPhone devices, Apple devices, iOS devices can be supported by phone link now. Um, Seriously, this feature is already there in Microsoft Edge. It's called reading mode. Reading view is a feature of Microsoft Edge where you can select a type of a view and also see camera and all this stuff. Since Microsoft is a bit more advanced, more what do you call it, more advanced than what Microsoft is doing. But the Microsoft is focused more on features than the quality of the services, I guess. But still, they focus so much on the features that they're a little bit ahead of Apple in some ways. Some cases, some ways they are ahead of Apple devices. Choose within Apple, those apps, and again, this is as you all know that you can use Snap features. The Snap facility in Windows 10 and 11. Windows 11 is more advanced where you can actually go here, go to it, and you can choose the Microsoft improving this feature by introducing something called the Smart View. I want to be talking about Smart View anytime soon, but once it's released, I'll be talking about it. However, Smart View is something where you can actually predict what kind of view you wanted to, or you can also choose whatever you want to. And kind of improve your way of how do you want to view your multitasking facilities, multitasking of the application. But however, I will not be talking about that feature anyways. That's because it's not important to be talking about it right now. But yeah, other than that, I will talk about things. Um, FaceTime. Basically, you can use Microsoft Teams and Skype. Technically, Apple have their own one, but unlike for Apple does not give their application with others. Of course, they have equal Microsoft Store. That's why application is shared in command, and Yeah, you can find it in Fire application from Microsoft Store, but it's not really needed. I mean, if some people like it, some people won't like it, and they expect people to have MacBook, Mac Apple devices to use it. So yeah, you can just see all the features what is there in other popular. It's like you don't feel like it's a copycat of Zoom. Okay, it is Zoom. So the former site formatters face the meta forward in Zoom goal. Those are made in how Apple is doing their business. I have no idea what they are trying to do, but they are Apple is just formatting other web process systems. Um, so again, you can see here center stage and studio light and portrait mode. The center stage, so whatever the center stage is here, you can actually get the continuity camera, which is now available on many Mac. Okay, fine. Maybe a little bit high quality in the case of MacBook is a little better in Windows in some sense, like such as the camera, because Microsoft is not really focused on camera. Maybe or not, I don't know, because usually most of the laptops that's running Windows is not basically from Microsoft. Microsoft works on their own brands, like you can say Surface and all their brand, but I'm not really aware of this. What's the quality of camera? But in the future, I think the quality of camera will improve significantly. Apple is kind of focusing that some is kind of appreciable about that. But when Microsoft is not way behind or way fond with this, we can say it's close to Apple's quality of services. Um, this computer is also late to 3 years old, so yeah, you can say it's a little bit out of also they don't know some stuff to how you would call it. And my opinion, I think my cameras, this camera, my laptop's camera is really good, and I would appreciate, I really appreciate the camera. It's really good quality. I mean, not as good as the newer computers, but it's really fine. This one is going to imagine visual actually. That's what I'm saying to Lolly. Okay, as you all know that you can actually run this similar gaming feature in Windows 11. There's so many new gaming features such as direct support or something like that, whatever the features are. It is common with so many high graphics features, advanced gaming centers, and all this stuff. This is it's only a word for gamers, not for. I'm not a real full-time gamer or anything, so it's not really that much for me. We design game center. As you all know that even Microsoft has this feature called a game bar. You just click this and get it as a game bar. This is about to start and G button to get the game bar in Windows 11 operating system and Windows 10 also. And that was being updated by Microsoft. Using freedom. No, we cannot get freedom. Oh, I don't mind. Similar to this, Microsoft have their own feature called Microsoft Whiteboard. Whiteboard is a equivalent feature to this facility where you can still share with other users. Whether Windows operating system or also Windows. You can also download the application in your Android devices and possible in iOS as well. I'm not sure about Mac operating system whether you can download Microsoft Whiteboard in MacBook or not. Uh, It seems that Microsoft is kind of a little bit way behind when you compare to Windows in some sense. In some sense, Windows, the Microsoft MacBook is a little bit ahead of Windows in some sense. So it depends on what we're talking about. Yeah, but if you compare the settings with Windows 10 settings look really nicer than with the MacBook Windows, Mac Windows settings. However, again, private security. As you all know that both of them, we don't need an antivirus software on using you really want an antivirus software. I won't pay that much antivirus software, it's up to you, but you really don't need an antivirus software. Both of them are really good by itself, and Microsoft has their own antivirus software called Windows Defender, which is now considered a strong engine called Windows Security or Microsoft Security. It's called Windows Security, but Microsoft Security is a more advanced feature called Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. It's a paid version of Windows Defender, what is now called Microsoft Windows Security. Okay, next one could be accessibility. Accessibility is you can see live caption all these similar features there in Windows 10 as well and Windows Mac operating system. So again, there's no much comparison between the two operating system. It's kind of the same thing. Both feature competitive, obviously both companies will keep on improving new features to compete with each other. The controller with the team of the available gaming. I think both features there in back Windows operating system, if I'm not mistaken. This you cannot detect as well. You can just put the star key, you can get it. Star V or something, I guess. Yeah, that's not facility. I forgot what it's called. Code name, but some headline. We can just go to search and you'll find it. Now, whatever this is there, you can also talk to your computer, make it things done, I guess. or that's what like Microsoft like call you whoever like to call it. So all these apps are also there, similar apps are there in Windows operating system. So yeah, again there's not much different with the operating system because the same thing, I guess. Um, so Caucus, there's Caucus Weather and all and Apple. There is something called Windows News and all these features are there in the Windows, but in Microsoft's own applications. This is Apple own applications. Reminder, live test. We can get calendar. Calendar has reminder facilities and live test. Maybe that's similar to dictation. Dictation, yeah, it's called Windows dictation. You can talk to it. We did a home app application where you can talk to it. It's called Windows detection. We can talking about this application. Yeah, you can see a detect here. We can call Windows detection feature is there in Windows 11 and Windows 10 as well, I think. Yeah, it's the Windows 10 for sure. I'm not 100% sure though. And CB and dictation. Um, CV and dictation. I don't know this dictation CV. Yeah, it's their Windows. As with Microsoft, the Windows have their own equivalent piece called the Cortana. Many people think that the Cortana is not there in Windows 11, but it's really many of you don't know that it's actually Cortana is there. It is simply like Cortana it will come in. Cortana. See, Cortana is still there in Windows 11 as well. So now you can get so smart search correction is there Windows, smart search correction is there Windows. All of these features they all most of them are these I think most of them should be there Windows installed right now. Windows, yeah, all Windows, and Microsoft have their own equivalent called Windows Massive upgrade, and a lot of the other equivalent features are there. There's Microsoft password and password editor and password manager and all this stuff. There's another editor, works manager, Wi-Fi frequency, network frequency, they are Windows command as well. Uh, so many of the features that there in Microsoft Windows with Mac operating system still there in Windows 11 as well there. And also you can download quality Windows operating system as well if you don't like Microsoft do this with iQuality Windows. Just go to Microsoft Store and download it. Okay then guys, thanks for watching. If you take please like, subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't subscribe my channel, I know this. Please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. If you did subscribe, thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe. There'll be more videos every day and yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Friends, please feel free to ask and say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.